Good morning, everybody, and thank you for joining this session. I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Akash Desai, and I am the Regional Solution Consulting Head for ServiceNow India. So, the topic of today's discussion would be how do we build a future ready digital platform for NBFCs? As you see, NBFC is really emerging big time in India, and there are so many players now getting into this sector, and there is a lot of competition from the digital players as well, in addition to the traditional players. So, a lot of change, a lot of environmental evolutions are happening, which is impacting the way NBFCs will do the business and how they will handle the competition. So what should be the digital platform for NBFCs? That is one of the key questions, because today technology is an enabler for every business, and that determines how competitive, how nimble, how ready you are to handle your customers. So, with this, let me first talk about ServiceNow. So, ServiceNow, we pride ourselves in calling ourselves a platform of platform company, and we basically make the world work better for everyone. So, what do we mean by that, right? So, every organizations, they run on certain processes, so which are key to their business operations. And then how do we make these processes seamless, smooth, frictionless, connected? That is the key, and that basically provides the speed, the agility, the nimbleness that the business requires, right? So all the businesses, if you see, in banks, as well as non-banks, they have all evolved over a period of time in terms of technology. They invested in the technology that was the right thing, probably 5 years, 10 years ago. But today, now we have landed up with a lot of silos, if I may say, in the technology world. So while all the silos are good at doing their individual functions, how can you connect them so the processes are connected as well? So today there are a lot of manual handoffs. There are so many different technologies that all the banks or the NBFCs use, and the processes traverse across these multiple siloed systems, and that's where the ball drops. The handover are manual. You have email-based follow-ups, you have phone-based interactions, and so on, which are difficult to track, record, and bring in consistency. How can I build a better, consistent TAT if I have so much dependency on manual functions? So that has been one of the challenges which has been plaguing most of the businesses. So we basically at ServiceNow bring all this silos together by providing a single system of engagement for the employees. So, and that's how we make the world work better for everyone, right? We cut down the silos, we digitize the silos basically. So today, you would have a core insurance application, you would have a customer relationship management application, you would have customer 360-degree, all this align in different systems. So when I'm executing a particular process, let's say if I'm onboarding a new customer, the life cycle of it traverses multiple systems, and that's where, as I said earlier, the ball drops. And how can I provide a single system of engagement, connected operations for my front office, for my mid office, for my back office? So all those things get tied together, and the whole execution is seamless, predictable, and nimble. So by doing so, we are bringing in a huge amount of productivity gain, efficiency gain, cost optimizations, because you can do more with less. And at the end of the day, what we all want, a better customer experience, a better employee experience. As Forrester says, right, you cannot have a happy customer if you do not have a happy employee. So, how do you make life easy for the employees when they are executing these processes, critical workflows, which are to afford serving their customers? So that's where we break down the silos. We bring in a single system of engagement, and provide a connected operations for all the businesses to function. So as I said, we unify we optimize, we connect, we create. It's a single unifying platform that ServiceNow brings to the business. What kind of different workflows do we really touch upon? So, in any digital business now, NBFC, I'm calling it out as a digital business because that's the future, right? You have customer experience at the core of it. You have the employee experience, then your operational excellence, technology excellence you have to build, because everything is enabled by technology, and then you bring in automation. So all the repetitive mundane tasks, how you can automate them. So you have your teams focusing on more relevant and more productive work. So if you see, customer experience entails all the customer workflows. Employee experience entails all the employee operations, the day-to-day work that they do, their workplace, how do they work on different applications, their life cycle, their IT needs. Operation excellence includes tying up all these things together and managing the risk at the same time, providing the visibility towards risk and leakages, providing a platform which can build workflows for your operations. Technology excellence, where basically you have all the enablers, your IT processes, your security operations, your automation engine, all that is part of the technology excellence. And then automation, of course, which I spoke about. How can I automate my workflows? So these are the various, I would say, functions in any business today, especially NBFC. So customer experience is key. That comes first. Employee experience, operation excellence, technology excellence, and automation. Now, can I have all of this on a single platform? The answer is yes. With ServiceNow, you can have all of this on a single platform. So you can have your customer workflow executing through ServiceNow. You can have your employee experience, your employee workflows on ServiceNow, operations excellence, your risk management, risk dashboarding, operational risk, your risk and compliance that you have to manage, RBI guidelines. You have so many RBI dictates to adhere to. So how can I track that and manage that? Provide real-time visibility into those risks. Technology excellence. The technology is an enabler. How can I keep a tab on my core systems, their uptime, the service availability, high availability of the business functions, and the automation, of course. So all these things can be brought onto a single platform with the help of ServiceNow. So ServiceNow basically provides you that single unifying platform on which you can have your customer workflows, your employee workflows, operation excellence, technology excellence, and automation. And it basically will integrate with all the existing system of records that are there, your existing CRM system or core insurance or a payment operation system or a loan origination system that you would have. It will integrate with all of this in the backend and provide a single unified platform for the employee, for the customer, making the life far more easier and everything accessible through the mobile app. So that's something that a future-ready NBFC would want to invest in. A connected operation, everything connected, and all this is possible because at the heart of all of this at ServiceNow, you have common services data model. It's a single platform with a single data model, a single database which powers all the different workflows. You can build your own workflows on this platform using App Engine, and it's a low-code, no-code platform. So creation of workflows is very easy. Business guys can do it. You don't require your IT guys to build workflows for you. You can have the business guys do it for themselves. So it's a low-code, no-code platform, highly secure, cloud enabled. So least of the operation headache, easy to upgrade, and a lot of new technology innovations keep happening on this platform. We keep doing a lot of technology acquisitions around artificial intelligence, around robotic process automation, around OCRs, optical character recognition, all this which are very critical for a banking or a NBFC kind of a business. So that is what is required for a future-ready digital platform. So with that, I would conclude my story. Thank you so much for listening to me. And a key message towards the end: experience is basically depends on the culture, and technology strategy is the business strategy. So with this message, I will bid adieu. Thank you so much for your time.